Hey CDJ family, welcome to the June episode of SOUNDBITES. There are a lot of informative and fun things to cover this month, so let's jump in. Make sure to stick around for the grand premiere of a special video project at the end of this episode. We were delighted to host a Ninja selling installation last month. Over 60 agents participated in a masterclass on improving their business by developing relationships with buyers, nurturing a healthy work-life balance, and more. I've never seen our agents so excited about the things that they learned and are putting to use in their day-to-day lives. It truly is a life-changing experience. Many people have asked about the next opportunity to take a Ninja course, and we're excited to announce that we have already committed to our next Ninja installation. Save the dates of January the 22nd through the 25th right here again at Midtown. The cost will be $975, which is the same as the last installation, but we'll have 3 payment options available, including a 6-month payment plan if you commit by August 31st. Look for registration details on the hub very soon. But I'm happy to share that we aren't stopping with an agent installation. We've also committed to a full training event for all corporate and ASC staff, so they're informed and ready to support you in all of your Ninja-based activities. They'll be poised and ready to help you stay in your flow. We really are all in on Ninja. We have plenty of other professional development opportunities for you this month. If 2023 is your license renewal year, then the deadline for getting your CE hours is June the 30th. Remember, you need 10 hours every 2 years to keep your real estate license. We have a few classes this month if you're needing CE. On June 19th and 26th, we will offer the core CE class Disclose, Disclose, Disclose from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Our Quick Start course was created to help agents who are new to the real estate business discover all the things that real estate schools didn't prepare you for. We'll walk you through all the steps to complete a buyer-seller transaction from start to finish, which includes how to get started, utilize DTR, review the various forms and everything that you need to get to the closing table. The course is from June 26th to the 27th, and it lasts from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Sign up here using the QR code. And are you new to DTR and have questions or just need a refresher? Sign up for this month's exclusive Spotlight class, DTR 101. Learn the basics of DTR and walk away with renewed knowledge of the platform. I recommend it to every agent who needs help with DTR. Sign up on the Hub's event calendar where you'll find our entire slate of June classes. Sometimes the support you need isn't the kind found in a classroom. Working in real estate can be incredibly stressful, and there's no shame in asking for help when you need it. As a reminder, we offer U-Turn to all agents and staff members for free, and that includes your family members. U-Turn offers evidence-based solutions and one-on-one peer coaching for stress, grief, anxiety, depression, trauma, and more. Everything is confidential and completely free to all agents and staff, and you can read more about it by scanning the QR code or searching U-Turn on the Hub. We love to celebrate our success. Congratulations to these honorees who have earned recognition as top performers in our network for the first quarter of 2023. I hope you take some time to celebrate this huge achievement because you deserve it. And congratulations to our company-wide top producers for May. We're all blown away by your incredible work. Keep it up. Giving back to the upstate is a hallmark of our culture, so I'm delighted to share with you 2 important initiatives that we've recently participated in to benefit the community. First, we recently held our annual C Dan Joyner Memorial Golf Tournament benefiting our signature philanthropy, the Sunshine Kids. Shout out to everyone who came out and play. Special thank you to our sponsors as well: Alliance Pro Inspections, Freeman Photography, Southern First Bank, Twin Oaks Title, and Holiday Ingram Law Firm for generously supporting the event. I'd also like to thank Shannon Riley and the entire tournament committee for making this a successful event. All of the funds raised will be going to benefit the Sunshine Kids, which supports pediatric cancer patients in the upstate. And second, the City of Greenville held the grand opening of the Unity Park Wetlands Preserve last month, and we're proud to be one of the lead sponsors. The preserve is at the north end of Unity Park, situated on top of the previously inaccessible wetlands. We're proud to sponsor one of the 3 overlooks along the path, providing visitors with a unique vantage point to observe this natural ecosystem within a city. It was a pleasure to join BMW Manufacturing and Duke Energy in supporting the continued development of our beautiful city. It's with a heavy heart that we share the passing of Ryan White, who was an agent with CDJ and worked on Casey Coffey's team. Ryan always had a big smile on her face, and we will miss her dearly. Please keep Ryan and her family in your thoughts and prayers. In lieu of flowers, you can donate to the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. Read more at the QR code here. I also want to acknowledge the recent passing of Brian DeYoung. Brian was a former agent with CDJ in our Pelham Road office, and we considered him a great friend and colleague. Brian leaves behind 2 children, including his daughter Catherine that just graduated from Eastside High School. If you feel compelled, please consider donating to this GoFundMe to allow her to pursue her dream of attending Clemson University in the fall. I'm frequently asked by agents at other companies, and so are our brokers, what makes C Dan Joyner special or different? There's so many possible answers to that question, and I thought it'd be best to let our agents give their answers. After all, you know us the best. Many of you recall a videography team filming in the Midtown building back in April. I'm super excited to share with you the finished product from their days of filming. It really warms my heart to watch this and see our agents share their candid thoughts on what it's like to work with the CDJ family. We'll be sharing this video on social media and with experienced agents that we feel would uphold and build our CDJ culture and our results. But I wanted you to see it here first.
So to describe the company in a couple of words is hard, especially for me. I'm not exactly short on, I'm not a one-word guy, but collaborative, competitive, supportive, and honest.
Caring, loyal, progressive.
How dynamic they are, how much integrity that they have, and the family atmosphere that's here.
I would say visionary, competitive, and generous.
That's easy. Development, community, and network.
Family, authentic, caring, integrity, and respect. I can't pick just 3 words, but I would say those 5 words really sum it up. The amount of caring and the authenticity that comes from everyone, not just a couple people, across the board. It's very reassuring, and it makes you want to be a part of this organization.
The C Dan Joyner name in this community has a lot of weight to it. It's something it's hard to describe until you have joined to see the reality to it, of how it can open doors for you.
It's a foundation of trust. Like, I knew before I got into this that this was a company that was well respected.
A company that's gonna do the right thing every time. And I'm jacked up, to work for a company that supports that.
Once I got into real estate and put forth the time and effort into being in this industry and consistently hearing great things about this company, it meant the world to me that I was even given the opportunity to be employed here.
We have so many opportunities for learning, for growth. You don't even have to leave the building. You can get your continuing education credits here. We have lunch and learns. We bring in specialists, we bring in experts, all different types of people to help us grow as agents and learn.
I would say the commitment that we've made to professional development is unlike I've seen anywhere. And I'm not just talking about some training for new associates when they get in, how to get started, how to set up your business, those kind of things, but at every level of production.
We have a Vice President of Professional Development, Dan Bryant, who is one of the best in the business, if not the best. And about 2 or 3 years ago, Workplace Dynamics did a study and awarded our training and development program the #1 training and career development program for large companies across the entire state of South Carolina. And that includes all industries, so it's not just real estate specific. to receive that recognition, I think, says a lot about our program. And that was one of the rave reviews that we get from our agents all the time, is how much they love and appreciate what we offer them in that respect.
So one of the main things that I want to improve on is just doing better marketing in social media. So guess what they did? They created a green room and all the expertise to help me create video, edit videos for all the agents to use.
Our agent service coordinators have been very helpful in comparison to where I was before, from a standpoint of marketing, social media. Anytime I really need anything, she's there to help. That takes things to the next level because I can do what I'm really good at, which is networking, selling, and loving on people, versus me having to figure out what this Instagram post has to look like, or really anything from a paperwork standpoint. She's there to help.
One of the main reasons I chose to come here versus other agencies is the amount of available resources. And I wasn't sure if it was all smoke and mirrors like during the interview process, because of course, people are going to say a lot of things. Everything that I was told during the interview was exceeded. The amount of resources, the amount of support, the amount of training is far above and beyond anything that I expected.
Overwhelmingly, the most collaborative real estate firm that I have ever been a part of in my life. Whether that's top-level management, that's a 1 year in the business, 1 day in the business agent, you're all going to get the same exact treatment.
We do a lot of collaboration within the company. Hey, who has a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and Traveler's Rest? Or what do I do with this plumbing situation, where we help each other as a big family.
Leadership absolutely values our opinions, and they meet with us and they listen to us and work together to come up with solutions.
So it's not like a hammer down, you will do this. They actually get feedback from the majority before they make a decision on what's best for the company.
It's who we are, it's our DNA. We listen to our agents and what they need. We don't ever dictate, here's what you're going to do, here's what you're going to get, and this is how you're going to do business, other than with honesty and integrity.
We also have an agents council that determines a lot of the policy and the procedure and how we go to business. They help find solutions for problems that are out there, and that agent council is made up of every level agent from every office that we service. And so we have a voice as agents and as brokers in charge. We have a voice in how the company is run, and it really makes you feel empowered.
I think one of the things that makes us different is the fact that we are a family-oriented business. Our agents feel like family. We treat them like family. I love that's what I enjoy every day about coming here.
You really feel that family connection throughout the company. When I moved here, I knew that I wanted to work for the best. Not just the best company, but the best people. The C Dan Joyner family is kind, and they're compassionate, and they're good people, and you feel that radiating through the halls of these buildings. They truly are good people.
You feel the family atmosphere when you walk in the door. And I know when I first came on board with this company, that was the first thing I felt, and one of the reasons I stayed is because of that family atmosphere.
I think the biggest thing with working with C Dan Joyner Realtors is that family culture. Being here for 20 plus years, there's a reason why I've decided to stay at this company for as long as I have. It really is more than just a company, it is a family.
When we bring somebody in, we adopt you. If you want to come to a place that's going to, work with you and be behind you, and actually there'll be a safety net under you, so to speak. But if you want a group that's committed to helping you get where you want to go and to achieve the goals that you want to achieve, come here. Because everybody on the leadership team is committed to that.
I had one that moved from another company over. And this individual had been in the real estate business for a number of years. And they came to me and said, I'm finally home. I finally feel comfortable. I know that you really care about me and my success. And I can't believe it took me this long to realize it.
So that's a wrap on June's episode of SOUNDBITES. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and I hope you have a great start to the summer. I'll see you soon.